In the last section, we added a form so that we can enter new jobs manually in the app. And we have updated our list view to show all the jobs that we have created. In this section, we are going to learn more about the list view, and we are also going to make some improvements to this page. And as part of this, we will see how we can show a custom screen when there are no items on the list, and also how we can use a swipe to delete gesture to remove items from this list. And we will add some tweaks as well, so that we can show some separators between the items on the list. And in the process of doing all of this, we will see how to create a reusable list builder widget that we can use elsewhere in this project. Okay, so before we continue, I want to talk about a concept which is known as the multiple states of UI. And what I mean by that is that when we show a page like this, there are normally a number of states that we want to consider. We have a normal state where we show some data, like the items in our list, but also a loading state that we can use to show some loading UI, like a circular progress indicator. And then there is an empty state, which happens when we have loaded the data, but there are no items to show. And finally, we have an error state that is returned when it wasn't possible to load the data for whatever reason. And when we present some data to the user, and that data is likely to be stored on a backend server such as Firestore, it is a good idea to keep all these states in mind and present the right UI to the user. So up to this point, we have written the code to deal with the normal state and the loading state, but we haven't addressed the empty state and the error state. So let's continue on the next video where we can fix this.